Guys, this is Yamg's Toys Reviews, and today I am reviewing Darrell and Bob Cutlers. So let's move Darrell aside and let's put Bob Cutlers. So, here's his eyes. He's smiling, he's happy. Here's the side of him. He's got nice wheels, license plate, brake lights, side doors. They're both Preston Cup announcers, guys. Now let's get Darrelcartrip. So here's Darrell. As you can see, he's got flames. Sorry about him being all beat up. Number 17. Here's the back of him. Right there, more flames. I like the wheels on him as well. So, and here's the front of him. So, them two both appeared in the very first Cars movie, of course, when they're talking about the King Chick Hicks and Lightning McQueen. And Bob didn't appear in Cars 2, but Darrell did. And then they both appeared in Cars 3. By the way, guys, this was the MG's Toys Reviews. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.